Make a great choice today with the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth, smart device integration. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.